Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your iPhone 14 Pro Max runs iOS 16, 2 or later, and that you're signed into iCloud. Once done, open Freeform from the home screen or Control Center to create a new board. This lets you import photos and use the Apple Pencil. Make sure Freeform Sync is enabled in iCloud settings so your boards update across devices automatically. This prevents loss. Next, you'll build and organize the board with detailed actions. Create a new board and give it a descriptive name so you can find it quickly. Then add content by dragging photos, typing text boxes, or drawing with the Apple Pencil. Use the lasso tool to select multiple items and group them for easier movement. Once grouped, use align and distribute controls to keep elements tidy. Remember to pinch to zoom and pan. This keeps precision when arranging fine details. Finally, complete the task by sharing or exporting the finished board and handling common issues. Tap the share icon to invite collaborators or copy a link, and choose edit or view permissions so everyone sees the right version. To export a static copy, use Share Export and pick PDF or Image. This preserves layout and annotations. If the board doesn't sync or collaborators can't see changes, make sure iCloud is active. Toggle Freeform Sync off and on. Then restart your iPhone to resolve lingering sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.